Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have some exciting stuff. Engine is going in the Firebird. Very nice. But first of all, we're gonna get it shot with a new fresh coat of black paint. So let's get right to it. I'm just gonna spray it down with some metal cleaner and should be good to go. So I basically decided that the intake manifold is so ugly and oxidized that we're just gonna paint that black too. So I'm gonna remove the carburetor real quick.
Tell you all the things I know. I don't wanna stay, but I don't wanna go.
So we got done painting the engine and it came out pretty damn nice. Take a look at this. So what I'm gonna do now is taking the old headers and we're gonna try to clean them up a little bit. First of all, I'm gonna remove the exhaust wrap because I hate that so much. Even though it kind of worked, I hate that it got so damn itchy when you touch it and there was this fiber stuff everywhere and just no, okay? So we're just gonna get that off real quick, strip it down, get most of the rust off, and then we're gonna hit it with some, I think some black exhaust paint or something, and then, you know, it's gonna look nice in the engine bay. I would prefer getting new headers, but whatever. So by the way, this is the low car life problem, as you can see right here. Completely flat header. Probably like 50% decrease in flow right here. Whatever. Over to see something very satisfying. It looks pretty damn nice. Look at how the rust just has this like layer underneath. It's kind of weird. Never seen this before, that there's like a layer of metal just falling off like this. I guess it's because the heat wrap have like, you know, kept it on or whatever. But literally just like, it just flakes off.
How we suffer now.
No way, that can't be real. Would you look at that? That's the VIN tag for the header. I think these bad boys are the originals, numbers matching, boy. Hell yeah, man. Craigslist right now and your boy got 300 bucks. Got done painting the engine. We got everything looking real nice in this old Pontiac 350 and we're ready to put it into the car. So let's get the engine hoist over here, lift this bad boy into the chassis, and let's see if we can get that first start up today, shall we? First of all, we're just gonna move this old hunk of metal right here, so let's do that. and we're now ready to install everything, from the wiring to the starter, to the fuel lines and everything. Somebody commented on last video if it was a Ford engine that I had laying around. I'll show you real quick. So, it's not exactly a Ford engine, but it sure the hell is close to it. It's a joke. By the way, a quick update on Oscar's Mustang. I know you guys have actually been asking about it and want to know a little bit what's going on. So we got the whole engine bay painted and a new wiring and a new wiring harness installed. Looks real damn good. So hopefully soon Oscar's gonna be able to drop his 280, his pimped 289 into the chassis. So that's gonna be real cool. So now it's time to get some oil on this puppy. So the video ended kind of strange, I know. Basically my camera didn't save any of the last footage to the SD card. I don't know why. But in the next video I'll give a quick recap of what's going on. Basically the engine won't start. Yeah, I don't know. You'll see in the next video. We're having some trouble here. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one.